Hi, I'm Josh with Healthy Home Foundation Repair, and today we're going to walk you through simple DIY steps to maintain your sump pump system. Darren Sharp, our project manager, is going to walk you through the steps that we check to make sure that everything's good to go, starting with the power. So the first thing he's going to do is check the power, make sure it's all snug. As you can see, if you undo the power source, the red light will show up. Plug it back in, back to charging with the DC power source. Step 2, he's going to make sure that check valve is nice and snug. The way these are tightened up is a flathead screwdriver. You want to grab it, make sure it's nice and snug, it's not going anywhere. All right, now that we've got the lid off, the next important step is to muck out the pit. Sediment will settle to the bottom, so it's important to get out any large debris that could be sucked into the impeller of your sump pump and damage it over time. What they'll do is they'll prolong the life of your system. Once it's been mucked out, it's important to re-tighten up the Fernco check valve. Next step is we take a hose to stress test the sump pump system in a controlled environment and let it run until the sump pump activates and cycles through. Once the water level rises enough, it'll activate the float, which will kick on the pump. There it is, turned on. Pressure relief valve's doing its job, taking out excess water.